What's up, guys? I'm going to teach you how to add your audio files to your video files in Canva, and how to do certain good stuff with your audio files in Canva. So before the tutorial, I'd like you to subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much, and see you in the real tutorial. Thank you. Alright, guys, to add an audio file to your video file in Canva, there are two ways you can do it. First, you can go to Uploads, click on Uploads, and then see your first you see images, videos, and the last audio. So you click on audio, and you will see your audio files if you have uploaded anyone. And then if you don't want to use the audio the ones you have uploaded, or you have not uploaded anyone, you can click on upload files like this, then upload anyone you want. Then click on select the file you want to upload, click on it, and then click on open. You see it's loading. Yes. Right now you can play it to see how it sounds before you add it to your video file. See? So then if you want to add it, simply drag it like this and drop it like this. So that is one way. I'm going to delete this one. To delete it, you right click, hover over it, right click, and select delete. Then the next one is to select and click on audio, and then select any of the audios that Canva has provided for you. You can search, of course, you can see, you can search here any type and specify the type of audio templates that you want from Canva. I'm going to add this one. Yes. See? And the next thing is, you notice that I have three video clips here, pages here, 1, 2, 3. And then if I add it like this, it's going to span through all the video clips. So if you play the entire video, the audio clip you added will play along with all of them. But then when you want to add it to a specific audio clip, then you can still add it. I'm going to delete this one first. Delete. And then you drag it, and then drop it at the video clip that you want to add it to. So if you click it and play it like this, it's going to be for see, it's only for this one. So I'm going to delete this one and use a different audio clip. And yes. And you can also add more than one like this. And add either to add it to that particular one like this. Now have two like this. And then if you want to add it to the whole clips that you have, it's like this. So right now we are having three video clips, two for a particular clips, and then one for the rest of the clips that you have. So when you can also reduce the volume. You have over each of them. Anyone you want to reduce the volume, right click and then click on volume. reduce it like this. Then let me reduce. I'm going to delete this one. So you notice that the volume of this clip has been reduced very small. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, like, maybe you want to you can notice that the whole clip has 11.0 seconds, and then when you want the audio clip to fade in within a certain in the middle of your videos, in the middle of your video when it's playing, maybe around 5 seconds or 4 seconds. This is how to do it. Click like this and click on adjust audio effects. Click on it, and it's going to fade in at exactly 4th second, then fade out, and then at the 5th second, like this. So when you play it from the 1st to 4th second, it will be very small. The sound will be very small, and then at the 4th second, it will come out very well. Notice I'm going to increase the volume so that we hear you very well. Now it fades in and fades out. This is a multi-second. Let's see. Then 4th, let's come on. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please make sure you subscribe, share this video, and then leave a comment if you have any question. Thank you very much once again for watching.